We have here a Rheem Professional Series 50-gallon water heater. We've cut out a portion of the jacket so you can see the insulation. It's high efficiency, which means it just has a thicker insulation jacket around the core tank. It also has a thicker anode rod inside to attract minerals. We'll take a look inside, but I don't think you're going to be able to really see much of anything inside there. You can see the gas valve off to the side, venting down below where the air comes into the combustion chamber. This unit also has a Grundfos hot water recirculation system. So as soon as you turn on your shower, you got hot water instantly.